Three pre-sale projects that have 50x to 100x potential. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a look at three pre-sale gems that have absolute phenomenal potential to pop off this bull run. Guys, before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, smash the subscribe button down below if you want to reach your 2024 crypto goals. Let's jump right into this list, guys. Taking a look at the first coin on this list, which is Dogecoin 20. You guys know Dogecoin and the popularity and the cult-like following it has behind it, especially with its number one mascot being Mr. Elon Musk himself. Now, Doge 20 is launching on Doge Day, which is 8 days away. They've already reached over $10 million, and if I'm not mistaken, it's closer to 13 or $14 million. And this coin hasn't even launched yet. We've seen this time and time again with pre-sale coins, guys. They end up raising $100 million to $150 million market caps within a very short span, which caused the price to absolutely quadruple. And we see absolute massive gains for those who get in early, so you may want to grab a bag. Not only are you going to get in at a low pre-sale prices, guys, but it also has staking. Utilizing smart contract powered by Ethereum, Doge 20 is more than a meme coin. It brings passive income potential to the community, harnessing the power of your Doge 20 by staking your tokens. Awesome. You can easily buy on the website. No more inflation. It's been featured on a ton of different articles. They have a solid roadmap in place, guys, which is very crucial for a project that you want to invest in long term, or even short term for that matter. You want to make sure the project's legit. You want to see what they have planned for, and then how the longevity is going to play out for this project, and also how you're going to end up playing. Are you staying in for quick? Are you going to stay long and stake your tokens? The roadmap is something that kind of indicates what they're going to do. And we can see the pre-sale marketing, early staking, the pre-sale token claiming, the DEX launch and Uniswap, allocating liquidity, and then long-term passive income rewards, right? Even something as simple as a DEX launch, guys, as soon as we get launched on exchanges in general, it usually causes the popularity of the project and just causes the coins to usually see a second pump. You know, obviously we see a pre-sale pump, then we see a listing pump from DEX, and then from centralized exchanges as well. So it's good to see that the team knows what they're doing. Tokenomics is displayed on the screen over here, guys. 25% to the pre-sale, 25% to marketing, so push it out to more people, 25% for the project treasury, 15% for staking, and 10% for exchange liquidity. Solid roadmap right there. They have a rewards calculator, which essentially calculate what your Dogecoin will be worth, and we're seeing already like a 2.1x gain just by buying the tokens, not even counting for any pumps. Amazing website, amazing artwork. You're gonna want to grab a bag of this. I'm gonna link this in the description below. Also on social media, taking over with 16,000 followers. That's awesome. Don't miss out on the excitement of the Doge 20 Telegram community. Stay informed with the news. And again, guys, it's your last chance to buy. Hurry up and seize this opportunity, as in 8 days the doors are closed and you won't be able to buy anymore. All right, let's jump onto the next coin on this list, which is another dog themed token. We love these Doge themed tokens. Let's take a look at what this one is. DOGEVERSE, the world's first chain traveling Doge. What does that even mean, guys? This is the first multi-chain Doge token. Doge goes multi-chain. Buy and claim DOGEVERSE on any of these following chains: ETH, Binance, Polygon, AVAX, coming soon on Solana, and coming soon on Base as well. So this Doge is not just a single chain coin, but it's a multi-chain, multiverse style token. This one looks like the price hikes in 1 day and 17 hours, so make sure you buy before that next price pump. They've already raised over $2.1 million, guys, and this coin only launched a couple of days ago, which is absolutely insane. Their first phase is already almost over, so you may want to load up a bag. Again, you can buy it on multiple different chains. They got an ETH, USDT, your card, so you might want to grab in. They got their white paper, their audit, everything on the website, which I'll link in the description below. The story of how it came together, launching on 6 stellar chains, beautiful, different places it's been featured on, so you can check out the multi-bridge utility. Cosmos is the adorable little face of the first meme coin to grace the 6 most active blockchains outside of Bitcoin. The DOGEVERSE token will be launched on Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, Solana, Avalanche, and Base. Utilizing superior bridge technology, DOGEVERSE will be seamlessly multi-chain in just a few clicks, with the minuscule gas fees to worry about. Cosmos is making Doge culture multi-chain. They got a solid roadmap in place too, guys, with 5 different phases, and phase 5 being their first centralized exchange listing, which again, like I said in the last coin, these centralized exchange listings obviously cause a nice pump in the price, so great for the long term of the project. And then a quick tokenomics breakdown, which you can see on the screen over here. So pre-sale, staking, project funds, liquidity, marketing, ecosystem funding, and exchanges, And it's good to see that. Looks like this project also has staking as well, so you got that passive earning ability as well, which is so cool. So what is Dogeverse staking? Staking is an action where you send your tokens to a smart contract, locking them for a set period of time. You'll earn more Dogecoin over time with a dynamic rate. Dogeverse staking is only available on Ethereum network for now, and we see right now it's dynamic staking. It's saying the estimated reward could be about 500%, but again, this could change depending on when and what time you buy in or what time you're staking. It is dynamic, so it's interesting to see. That's pretty solid. Again, they're also on social media, not that big yet with only 1,500 followers, but we'll check into this in a couple of days. But these projects typically grow pretty fast, and an hour ago hits a spectacular milestone, raising over $2 million. You're not going to want to miss out on Dogeverse, guys, especially getting at like pretty much phase 1 prices. Go ahead and take a look. I'm gonna link it down in the description below. Now, the third coin on this list, last but definitely not least, is Solana, a Solana pre-sale gem. Guys, this bull run, the Solana coins have been going absolutely crazy. So how can we have a top list without mentioning Solana? Over $10 million raised. It's your last chance to buy before the launch. One SOL equals 10,000 slot. They've already raised over $10+ million, and this is your chance to earn some Solana. All right, join Solana's journey from leafy lounges to crypto riches. The pre-sale is happening now. Embrace your slot life. Let your soul soar with Solana. Pre-sale spots are limited from $420 to $420 million with slot. Again, this could go crazy. We've seen with Slurf, another popular Solana slot token, went absolutely crazy, built a solid community around it, built a solid floor price around it, and I believe at the time of recording this video, it's sitting close to $200 million market cap, which is absolutely crazy. If Solana could even do half of that and reach $100 million market cap, we could see a solid bag with just a small investment. So you might want to grab a bag of Solana in the link in the description below. On Twitter, they got almost 17,000 followers, which is awesome. Pretty active on Twitter as well, posting memes, posting content, everything you want to see in a meme coin community. And guys, again, obviously none of this is financial advice, always your own research and due diligence, but all three of these coins all have solid potential features. We got Doge20, which has great staking and is about to launch in just a couple of days. Then we have Dogeverse, which is so early, still pretty much in the phase 1 of their raising, only $2 million raise, so you could be a part of a journey super early, getting at the super low pre-sale prices. And then with Solana, a Solana-based cryptocurrency that also already seen success with Slurf. Replicating some of that success is very possible. These are top 3 pre-sale gems you absolutely don't want to miss out on. That pretty much wraps up the video. Like always, guys, not financial advice, always do your own research and due diligence. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.